Bah! Hey everybody, this is Julian from Raw Physique again. It's been a while. I am going to do an updated review of over a year, probably close to a year and a half, of having the Gator Hardtop bed cover for the F-150. As you can see, it is super dirty, but that's all good. I'm gonna tell you so far what I like, what I don't like about it, and how well it has held up over this time during normal use. All right. A lot of shit. So here's the bed cover. And remember, this is a year and a half of use, and there's a shit ton of pollen everywhere. So, that being said, so as for longevity and how well it could keep your stuff dry, it actually seems to work pretty well while keeping everything dry. So there's only a couple spots that I've noticed that get wet, and it's usually just when you're driving. There's one spot that gets wet when it's raining, and I'll show that to you. So this is when it's raining, and even when you're parked. There's a spot right here that drips somewhere. As you can see, I guess this is good because you can see where the pollen's been leaking through during the rain. So it leaks through somewhere on the bed cover there. Otherwise, it's super, super good at keeping everything dry. And it will drip down, and it'll drip into my swing case. It'll drip like on the top of the swing case. This is like waterproof. At least it doesn't get water in it, even if you have the bed cover completely up and it's raining. These are good. I actually have an install video and review on those if you want to check them out. So yeah, the water will drip down and just drip out of the bed of the truck, right around this corner. That's the only leaking issue that I have really had. It's expected that you get some water in the bottom of the bed cover or in the bottom of the bed when you are driving. And it's usually just in the rear back here. Never had any water on this side. As you can see, it's like raining like crazy. I've been driving around, and I actually use cardboard boxes to slide heavy items and metal items on, just so they don't scrape up this spray in bed liner here. But yeah, these boxes have been in here for the same amount of time that I've actually had the bed cover. So they're perfectly fine. Same thing with these chairs. They are not moldy after sitting in here for over a year. And they're also perfectly fine. So it's like having a functional space, like a little garage or shed in the back of your truck, which is pretty damn badass, I gotta say. So real quick, who doesn't know anything about these covers, there's these guys right here. There's one on the left and right, and you put them up and tighten them down, so when you're driving, it doesn't flop down and either destroy the bed cover or put a lot of pressure on whatever you're towing back here, or hauling, I should say. So, all right. So after over a year, everything is still good and literally fits good. This leak that happened, somewhere over here, that leak probably started within a month of getting the bed cover. So it may have been like an imperfection in the cover or something like that. Just straight from the factory, but hey, I'm not gonna return it. It wasn't like that hard to put in. I have an install video on the cover too, so hey, swing cases and cover, check out my other videos if you want install vids or just quick reviews on those. But otherwise, I love it. It makes it a lot more functional than actually having just a straight up bed. So I've taken like big, tall items, a ton of stuff really, that you have to flip the bed cover all the way up, but it just makes it super easy, super solid, super secure. I hate the soft bed covers because they could probably be like a lot more easily broken into than this guy right here. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's a good purchase. If you have a truck, I think it makes it a lot more useful if you want to either hide things back there or carry items that you don't want to get wet and there's a possibility of it raining. Just makes it a lot more useful in my opinion. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have one or if you have a soft cover and you like it. And to see my install vid, just check out the rest of the channel, even those cargo swing cases. So this has been a quick video and review update. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please subscribe. Check out any of my other videos over here. And all right, y'all, that's it for today. Peace.